Question number 16. Rearrange the 8 digits 333 and 5555 and 5. How many different 8-digit numbers can you get? So actually, guys, we learned this in lesson 4, which is called deduplication method. Let me review that a little bit. For example, we are arranging ALL. Question, how many different ways there for you to arrange that? Basically, got 3 ways, which are ALL, LAL, and LLA, right? But that is just a listing method. If you want to use the multiplication method, it's like you can label that 2 L's as different first. So you got L1 and L2. If they are different, how many ways do we have? We all know that will be 3 times 2 times by 1 different ways, right? That is multiplication principle. But actually, L1 and L2 are exactly the same. So you have to get rid of the duplication. So how many times that we got to duplicate? That will be how many different ways you can arrange L1 and L2. That is pretty easy to get, which is just 2 different ways, L1, L2, and L2, L1, right? So that means you got 2 times by 1 different ways to arrange L1 and L2. And you have to get rid of that. So you divide it by 2 times by 1, and you got 3 ways, right? You got 3 ways. Just as you listed here, 3 ways. And now that will be the same for us to arrange that 8 numbers. So we can treat this 8 digit all different. So you have 8 times by 7 times by 6 and 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1 different ways to arrange that. And you have to get rid of the duplication, because you got 3 of 3. So that will be 3 times 2 times by 1 different ways to arrange that 3 of 3. And also you got 5 of 5, right? So you have to get rid of that duplication as well. So that will be 5 times by 4 times by 3 times 2 1 and times by 1 different ways. You can arrange this 5 numbers because they are all the same. And now you can get rid of the duplication by cancel out the same thing in the numerator and denominator. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 will be cancelled, and 3 and 2 equals to 6, so that will be cancelled. In the denominator, you have only 1 there, so you don't count it. And then 5 in the numerator, you got 8 times by 7. That means this final answer equals to 56 divided by 1, which is 56 different ways. Okay.